recording? I didn't know that. But I didn't like it.
Coming in. Do you need this?
I mean, to look at.
Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. Today's video that I have here, I'm here with Justin.
Hi.
From Getting Healthy with Good Food. He's kind of freaking out right now a little bit. It's gonna be fine.
I didn't know we were recording.
We're recording. Like we're here. We're ready to go. So Justin and I have done a few cooking videos together. Justin lost
175 pounds.
175 pounds.
175.
175 pounds total. Together, we've lost over 400 pounds together. We've decided to team up after we met through being featured in a newspaper together to kind of help people find better options to live a healthier, happier lifestyle, but also in a way that is fun and enjoyable because we both know how much food is delicious. And so we're here today. We are making, what are we making?
We're making no bake.
No bake.
Paleo.
Paleo.
Chocolate,
Wow.
read it. Chocolate pecan bars.
Chocolate pecan bars. I was like, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
So we're making no bake paleo chocolate pecan bars, which I'm really excited about because it's like everything that I desire in food groups. So why don't you just tell me what we're doing today?
All right, so we got everything prepped for it.
Yep.
Okay. I have some chocolate chips. So we're gonna stick with the paleo, so these are vegan, no dairy in them.
Okay.
We have dates. You could do your.
I said when you make this with like your wife or something other, you could be like, it's date night, and then hold the dates up. And it's a really bad joke, but I just felt at the time it seemed really funny to me.
It's true.
When it was just me.
Kind of not as funny now.
It's not funny now. Nobody's laughing. They're all like, this is so awkward. All right, what else do we have?
Okay, so we have some pecans.
Oh my
we
gosh,
have
yes.
peanut butter.
Yes.
Let me just double check. Yep, the peanut butter. Because I also got almond butter.
Oh.
So peanut butter. Okay.
Yep.
And this is, I got this from the grocery store. I am melting the chocolate on a double boiler. You could do it in the microwave.
Is that this chocolate?
Yes.
So you just brought this to show people, but we're not using this?
Well, I have one that's open.
Okay.
And then.
So you're...
Well, you can't hold this up because it's open.
What is wrong with us? I said this is going to be like the worst video we ever make together.
And I've never made this.
Oh yeah, we've never made this before.
Yeah, so I have no
Neither
idea.
of us. So let's just wing it. Let's just go for it. Let's have some fun. All right, what do we do first?
We have our chocolate melted.
Okay.
You want that ready.
Yep.
You could do it in the microwave, double boiler, just so that we're on camera.
Cool.
Okay, normally I do it in the microwave. I have my stand mixer, because we do need to like blend it up.
Okay.
So if you had like this, or one of the Ninjas, or was it a Vitamix? I think there's the other one like that, yeah. Okay, anything like that.
Okay.
Blender, I don't know if it'd work with the blender.
Okay.
But,
Yeah, that's
so we
because of the
take-
dates being so thick and...
Yeah, so we take our dates, and we dump them in. I got 7 dates in there, and they're the pitted kind, because you don't want to put the pits in there.
I'm holding back all my date jokes. Keep going. Keep going.
Then we have a half cup of the nut butter, and we put that into the stand mixer.
Now, could you use almond butter if you wanted to?
Yeah,
Okay.
any of them you could use.
Okay.
So almond butter, cashew butter, but peanut butter, so we'll see. And then turn it on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's I tripped the circuit. This is going to be a terrible video. Nothing works.
It's
You have to
okay.
bait
This
this.
is honestly a normal Justlikedrew production, but usually you held up the group average to make it look professional, and I think I rubbed off on it.
Yeah.
Because this is what they normally get, honestly. So this is part of the course. The other videos probably made them uncomfortable with how well done they were. This is more like, this is the Drew that we know. This is what we expected to see.
Yep.
Yeah. Stuff's not plugged in. Whatever. Cool. All right.
All right. So I'll show it. So it's like blended into like kind of a mush.
A date peanut butter.
Yeah. Date nutty mush. Okay.
Perfect.
So now we're gonna put in. I have a cup of pecan.
I love pecans.
So we're gonna put the whole cup in.
Yes, put it on.
Okay. And we're gonna blend that up, and then we're gonna add in another half cup.
So now, before we blend it, or after?
After.
Okay, I see.
So that way there's like a little bit of like chunk.
Okay, I see. I was just gonna ask you, like, is it gonna be? I love like the actual pecan consistency and flavor.
Yeah. So pecan has a lot of natural oil in it, really fatty. Not like fat, but fatty. So that's what helps it to stick together,
Okay.
along with the dates, along with the nut butter.
Okay.
So that's why you don't have to bake it. Everything is raw for the most part.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I keep stirring my chocolate. And then we gotta.
I'm not doing anything to help today.
No.
I was supposed to read the list.
Yeah.
I'm kind of lazy today.
Yeah.
I'm also hungry.
As soon as we started this, I kind of thought there's really not much for you. You can dump something on it.
I want to dump something in.
Okay.
Give me a job.
Yeah. Well, you'll put it in the pan.
Oh,
How's that?
there you go.
That works.
I have a job now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So it's kind of getting where you can like pinch it.
Okay.
Like it's pinchy.
Pinchy?
Sticks.
Pinchy?
Okay. And now we're gonna add in the rest
Okay.
of our pecan.
Okay.
And blend it up a little bit more.
Okay.
And I have I put it in the freezer already. Why did I do that? Wow, this is.
What'd you
is
put in the
something.
freezer?
The pan.
I'll get it. I'll get the pan. It's fine. Give me some work to do. Let me do the hard
I was
part.
thinking like, we need to freeze this when we're done.
And then
But
you
I froze the pan.
Perfect. I like
You
it.
know, whatever. This is a real kitchen.
This is the real
You know,
life.
this is the real
This
thing.
is real. Okay.
You know?
All right.
So we have a 8 by 8 glass dish. I put in a sheet of parchment to make like a sling, so that way things just pop right out.
I like
Okay.
that. Smart.
All right. So now this is your job.
Made it Drew proof.
Yeah. There you go. So you're
Okay.
going to just.
Do you need to take
scoop.
this out first?
Yeah.
Just for my
it'll
safety.
cut ya.
Yeah. For my.
It's pretty
purpose
sharp.
in the sink.
Yeah.
We don't need any more.
Nope.
Okay.
We're good.
All right.
So
It's
yeah,
like
so
since where this video's been going, I just felt like I should.
know. This is.
I should not give myself the option to cut my body.
Yeah.
Because odds are, with where we're at right now with things, things would happen. I'm not even getting this in there. Like, why did you give me the one job? I have one job.
Yeah.
And I'm not even.
You get to eat it though.
I do.
And that's the most important.
I'm excited
job.
about that. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's important. And hopefully I like it. Honestly though, I feel like today maybe I won't even like this.
Yeah, I don't know.
We,
This could be the one.
this
Like.
could be the one thing
Yeah,
today.
you survived.
I've survived.
Vegan
Which
tacos.
was a big deal.
Yeah, that was a big deal.
Check out that video. That's much better quality than this
Yeah,
one.
that one-
Yeah, why don't you skip out of this one
Yeah.
and head over to the vegan taco.
That one, it seems like we knew what we were doing.
We knew what we were doing. What am I doing now?
All right. Well,
Show them.
so now we have the sling, and then just kind of mash
It looks
in there.
really nice.
Yeah, I know.
You did a
Looks
good
pretty.
job.
Yeah,
You did a good
yeah.
job.
All right. So we have a half a cup of chocolate,
Okay.
and it's melted.
Melted.
I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see that.
Kind of. Yeah.
Okay, melted. Then we're gonna dump in a quarter cup of nut butter,
Okay.
because who doesn't love chocolatey, peanut buttery, pecan goodness?
Anyone who's ever had a Reese's.
Yeah, exactly.
Just
So
knows.
you mix that in.
I'm being excited. I feel like it's gonna taste really good. I actually do feel like I'm gonna
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah, I think it'll be good. I mean, I've had pecan bars,
Yeah.
so
And have you actually ever eaten these?
no.
So you've never even.
No, I've never
Nothing.
eaten it. I just saw the recipe and I was like,
Let's do that.
hey, you want to come over and make this?
And I was like, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
He was like, it's pecan chocolate. I was like, I'm in.
Yeah.
Pecan chocolate, anything I'm in.
Yeah, and then we're going to put in just a little bit of vanilla. So probably like, I don't know, half teaspoon, something like that. Just cuz.
So why not?
Right? So that makes a nice chocolate, peanut buttery, melty, gooey goodness. Okay, it's hot, so I'm going to do this part.
Okay, yeah, you should.
You have another step pretty soon though.
Oh, I'm so excited. I get another step.
You get to artfully and we'll just say artfully put on the pecans. So
I was
yeah,
hoping
there's
this-
really no like right way to do this. It's like melt stuff, blend stuff, put it in a pan.
You know what though? I actually really like this. I love things that you really can't mess up.
Yeah.
That's kind of my life necessity when it comes to cooking me in the kitchen. Because a lot of times people feel so overwhelmed. They feel like, oh geez, well I can't do it like they
Yeah,
did.
we got the fancy ones.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's awesome. They're like, I feel like I can't do it the way that they did, so why should I even try? And I'm always like, you should always try, you
Yeah.
know? And the cool thing about this dessert is that it gives you the opportunity to just really enjoy it and have fun making it. This would actually really be something fun to do with your kids, to invite them to try something that's a little out of their comfort zone. One of the biggest things that they always talk about, like with healthy eating with kids, is like getting them involved in cooking food, because when kids cook their food, they take ownership and they're like, you know what, yeah, I do want to try that because I did help make it. So I'm putting a lot on here.
No, that looks good.
That's great.
Yeah. Here, we'll even like make it real pecan-y,
yeah,
right?
I like it.
Make it real Instagram-y.
Yes.
You know, we were even...
The way you do it, just throw some on there. Should I put some of these mini chocolate chips on there?
There's that guy that does the salt off his elbow.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right. Oh my gosh. There's some chocolate. I'm adding chocolate to the top. This is where my life is today, and you just need
That looks good. And then we're gonna up it a little bit.
Are you putting salt on it?
Yeah,
I love salt. You can do the salt thing and the salt thing.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh gosh, don't ruin it.
Salt.
Oh my gosh, that's
wow,
amazing.
that actually works.
Wow, so now I'm gonna freeze it, right?
This is what it looks like.
It's really pretty.
I know. I will
excited
Instagram this.
I'm glad. Be proud of our work.
Yeah. So that just freezes.
Okay.
Mostly just the chocolate has to set up.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, cool. So we'll be back.
All right.
To try.
You're not gonna just record for the next 10 minutes?
No. We need a break.
All right. Welcome back. It's been about 10-15 minutes. We talked about mud masks and charcoal and so many things.
Okay.
So we have our pan here, our sling, and you just it just pulls
that
right
was
out.
really easy.
I know,
That's
see?
amazing.
So we have to,
This is why we need Justin in our life. All right.
Okay.
Cut it
So
up.
we
I'm
cut it
ready.
up.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's just about 10 minutes in the freezer.
Oh, it sounds and looks amazing. Can I have the quarter, please?
Yep.
Okay. What it looks like. You guys see it?
Ooh.
It's amazing.
Artfully chocolated and salted.
I'm excited to try it.
I'm excited.
Well,
Yeah, it tastes like chocolate and pecan in a bar.
it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, nutty.
It's not really sweet, but it's nice. I really like it, like a lot. Like, I actually like that it's not super sweet, and I like the flavor and texture of it too.
And you can taste the pecan. Yeah, I guess if you wanted to make it a little sweeter, you could put either maybe a little more dates, or you could put maple syrup in the date mixture.
I like it though. I feel like it's definitely really a good flavor. I like it. I think it's a win.
Yeah.
It's really yummy.
It stays together well too.
Yeah, that too.
So, cool.
Maybe more.
Look at that.
Oh. I'm like eating. People are talking to me. I'm like, this is really good. Thank you.
High five.
There are forks here.
Oh yeah. I
We
got
could
those
eat
out.
those. Well,
Whatever. It's been that kind of day.
it's been that kind of video.
You know?
Okay, so we'll put the recipe in the description box below this. I'll put info to how to check out Justin on his social media. Check him out. He's got a lot of aprons.
A lot of aprons. I have a good apron pick with the derriere coming out.
You had to say it. Like, you were like, people go check it out. He does though. It's yeah, we'll talk about that at a different time. So that's all we have for you guys today, promise. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. We love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. We'll talk to you soon, right?
A lot of amazing.
A lot of amazing. It's really amazing. All right, bye. Come on, be excited. Come on, bye. Woo! And it's not saying I'm not going to appeal or fight for it. It's just a realization that it's not going to be happening right now. It's probably not going to be happening for a little while, and that's okay. And you know, Okay, hold on. Tell me, do you think that this works now?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's good.
All right,
Yeah,
great.
you can see all of this.
Yeah, great. Great. I should probably wash my hands. This the soap? No?
Yeah.
The thing?
Yep.
Okay. You actually refilled that?
Yeah.
That's impressive. I would have filled it up once when I got the house. And then never again. For the rest of my life, that soap thing would be empty and I'd have these little soap things all over the counter. It'd be really sad. Do I get an apron or no?
Oh yeah.
That one apron. I get a cool one. A
Yeah.
fancy one, preferably. All Are those dates or prunes?
Dates.
So you can be like, it's date night.
There you go.
Make this with your wifey.
Hey all, it's date night.
Bad food jokes.
Yeah.
With Justlikedrew.
Perfect. Melted well.
Huh?
So this melted well chocolate.
Let me know when you want to start.
Yeah. Oh, I
Okay.
think we're.
Are you ready? Okay. Pre-game stretch.
Is it recording? I didn't know that. But I didn't like
Oh my god. I can't.
like, oh, pretty good stretch. And look up and there's a red light. So, now I'm all embarrassed.
Okay, don't be embarrassed. It was really good. I didn't think you could get any more red. Your face is so red right now.
Bright red.
Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, we'll just breathe. It's fine. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good video. Alright. Promise, high quality coming in. Do you need this?
I mean, to look at.
Okay.
So we know what's. You can read what's in it then.
I can read it. You want me to read it out loud? Okay, we should start the video.
Okay.
You ready?
Just randomly talk for 10 minutes.
Oh my god, when are we doing this now? I think it's been like 8 minutes in.
Yeah, that's it. I don't know.
We like pre-game talk. You know what the problem is with this one? We were just like, let's just go for it. We felt
I didn't know
too
you were
confident.
recording for like 5 minutes.
That just rocked your whole world. I know. Don't worry. At the end of this video, guys, you're gonna see some magic,
pretty good
some footage.
bloopers.
Yeah, we were filming for like 5 minutes. I knew, but Justin didn't know. I just wanted to feel natural. You know what I mean? I know.
I thought you were gonna just take pictures. You
Nah.
said, hey, we're taking pictures.
No, I didn't say that. I said we're not taking pictures.
Oh.
Because so you don't listen to me. That's
I don't
what it
have
is.
coffee.
I was gonna get coffee. Okay, so true story. I went to get coffee before this because I showed up to church late today and they were already done handing out coffee. And then I was like, all right, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee before I come here. And then McDonald's coffee line was like 22 cars. I say the coffee line because I'm assuming everyone was obviously also there for coffee.
Yeah.
And so I was like, I gotta get here. So I haven't had enough coffee either.